In this video we are going to be analysing Facebook, or more known as Meta now. So to get straight into it, what are going to be our key resistance levels if we start pushing up? And we can see our closest resistance level from where we are now is $193, with the one being past that at $113. Now do take note though, obviously we do have the $200 level between those, and that would be a strong psychological level. So really the key ones as of where we are right now, the key ones close to where we are would be $193, $200 and $213 that we would be focusing on. However, if we do break through that level and we do continue up even further, we would have our next target at $254, $288, $315, $364, $375 and a final one at $440. Now obviously most of these aren't that probable, really even the 315 onwards, and the reason for that is obviously you can see the high created was $185. Since then the earnings have kind of gone downhill, obviously markets aren't as strong, and so really pushing back to that level may be unlikely, at least in the near future. So our key focus would be these three resistances, the 193, 200 and the 213, and then if we're able to break that 213, meaning we break over, come back, retest it, and that would be our confirmation that we are going to continue higher, we would then expect a push to around $250. Now, if we start selling off on Meta, what are going to be our key support levels? Well, if we continue down from where we are now, our deviation levels from here are actually quite far. So really our first technical level would really be the support created in kind of the 52-week low around this $155 level. However, if we break through this level and continue further down, we're then going to have support levels around $138 and $133. And again, if we continue down even further, and again these levels will be quite unlikely because that would be very oversold, but that would be $72.50 and then $62 and then $12.50, and that will be our final target because then deviations turn negative. And now the thing to note on Meta is obviously it has sell off very hard in the past year, or really just 6 months in general, and that's why these deviations have gone so wide, because it went from a 380 down to 150. That makes deviations very wide, and that's why targets are quite far, especially to the downside. So really the key ones we would be focusing on is the 52-week low, the 138, the 138 and the 132 support, and then at an extreme, if we're able to break below that, the technical and the kind of the psychological $100 support, and then at an extreme 72 and 61, and really this $12 is not going to happen in all reality, and probably even the 72 isn't going to happen. Now I hope you enjoyed this video on Meta analysis. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and why don't you check out this analysis video here.